up, guys? Welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm so excited to be out and riding. It's been raining literally for weeks at a time and I haven't been able to ride. It still looks like it's gonna rain, but let's take advantage that it's not raining right now and cruise a bit, tell you guys a little bit of some of the updates that I got. So the first major update that I got is that my HPI exhaust is finally coming in, which I'm really excited about. I feel so bare riding without an exhaust. I feel like people don't hear you. I already had one close call just because they didn't hear me coming, and I don't mean it in a way to be loud and obnoxious. It's good to have an exhaust where people could hear you coming and just be vigilant that you're there. So I'm so excited. As soon as they come on, I'm gonna put that on. Another update that I got is from Beringer. So I ordered the Beringer radial calipers in nickel. They told me it's going to be a special order just because of the coating, so it took them about 2.5 months to get it done. So those are about a month away as well. I feel like they'll complement the black and nickel theme that I'm going for on my bike. What's really cool is that I found these rotors that will match the nickel calipers really nice. So Lindell Brakes has these black rotors that look beautiful, and I feel like it'll complement it really well. I just need to get in touch with Lindell and find out how durable those rotors are. I just feel like after a short time of use it'll pretty much just fade away and that the coating will just scratch off. I did read somewhere where it said that if you use their brake pads, it does protect it much more, but I'm curious to find out, anyone that purchased these black rotors, how long it lasted and if the black color actually stayed on. So if you guys know anyone or have any information about that, please comment below. Finally, I'm excited to announce that I'm going to be putting a cam in my bike, and I chose Matt's garage to take care of it. So Matt, he's such a really nice guy, very thorough, very knowledgeable, definitely knows what he's talking about. I told him exactly what I wanted to do, and he pieced together everything for me and got me in the books. What's really cool is that he said I could film the entire thing so I could bring you guys along on the journey. I'm gonna be doing a simple cam upgrade. I'm gonna be going with the SNS 475 cam, and I'm not gonna do anything else crazy. I am gonna put a SNS manifold as well, and that's it. I feel like that's plenty enough. I mean, this bike is already quick. I really didn't even want to do anything when I got this bike. I feel like it's totally fast enough and unnecessary, but after riding a couple bikes with a couple cams, you grow used to loving that extra power, so it's really fun. Oh yeah! But yeah, guys, I'm super excited to bring you guys along. I'll be posting the updates really soon. I hope you guys have a great day. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.